dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting brave, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put us in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty like my
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Recool Hair. Now this is my first time working with them, but I have seen them over on TikTok, and the units look like they're pretty good quality, but of course, we're gonna find out for ourselves today. They sent over a 5x5 glueless invisible HD lace closure bob in 10 inches. If you're not new to the channel, then you know how much I love me a good bob moment, especially seeing as how the summertime is right around the corner. The way this unit is being marketed, it said that you need 0 skills to install. It's beginner friendly. It comes with pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline. It is a daily bob to go and lightweight. Flawless melt with scalp, protective and comfortable style, always classic and never go wrong. The product details for this unit says that it's a glueless lace wig. The density is 150%. It comes in a natural black color. It is 100% human hair, so it can be dyed, but of course, we're not going to be doing any of that in this video. The lace is a Swiss HD lace. Again, it comes with a pre-plucked natural hairline. The cap size says that it's an average 22.5, so it may or may not be a little bit tight on me. We'll find out soon. It says that the hair can last 1 or more years, and of course that's always with proper care. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front, 1 on each side. It also has adjustable straps and a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust. Again, this is a 5x5 lace closure unit, so therefore you're getting 5 inches going straight across in the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space area. This unit also comes with pre-cut lace, so if you are someone who's not into cutting your lace, you're afraid to cut your lace, then pre-cut might be the way for you. When you receive your unit, it comes in this really nice sturdy magnetic box that you can then put your unit back in when you're finished wearing her, or you can use it to store all of your accessories that also come with the unit. Your accessories come in a satin bag that you can then place your unit into once you're finished wearing. So basically, you'll take your accessories and put those into the magnetic box, and then you'll take the satin bag that's holding your unit and place that into the magnetic box as well. That way everything is like squared away and tucked away and out of the way when you're finished wearing it, of course. The accessories that you'll receive are a wig cap, melt band, eyelashes, comb, edge brush, headband, claw clips, and a bonnet. That's not bad if you ask me, but I have done enough talking, so let's go ahead and install this unit. Before we talk about this unit, you guys see how she's a little bit longer like in the front? I think I'm gonna take some scissors and maybe chop off a 1/2 inch in the front, just so she's kinda sorta the same length as the sides and the back. Yeah, I think that'll look good. Okay, so sorry if the angle changed up a little bit. My battery did die, so of course I have to switch it out. But here is what she's looking like after I cut her. I didn't really do too much cutting. Obviously, it's not a huge difference, but there's a difference to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit, and I'm gonna start with my cons first. And if I'm thinking correctly, I really only have about 2 cons. The first one is going to be the density. Now on the website it says that this unit is 150% density, and typically for a shorter bob, whenever it's, or just a shorter unit, not just necessarily a bob, whenever it's 150% density, it's going to feel a little bit thicker. This unit, she's thin. Now I'm not one who likes super thick bobs, that's just not the business for me, but I would like a little bit more thickness when it comes to this particular unit. My next con would be, I don't necessarily think that she's big head friendly. Now she's sitting on my head perfectly fine, she's not giving me a headache, she's not squeezing me or anything like that. But if I had my hair in twist, right now it is braided, it's been braided for like the past, I don't know, month and a half or so. But if I had my hair in twist underneath this unit, yeah, there's no way I would have been able to get her on and her fit comfortably. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros, and the first one would be that this unit is extremely soft. Like, she was soft when she came out of the package, but then of course I washed her and conditioned her and whatnot, and she's still super duper soft. My next pro for this unit is the fact that it's giving scalp. Like, look at that. You cannot tell me that that does not look like scalp. When they said invisible HD lace, they meant invisible HD lace. Yes, I did go in and tint my lace, but I mean, everybody should be going in and tinting their lace to match their skin color, but I'm impressed. My next pro, my biggest pro, is the fact that this unit is 100% glueless. I didn't use any spray, I didn't use any glue, and this unit is blending to the gods. I can't lie, when I first took the unit out the box and I saw how much lace was in front of the actual hairline, I got a little bit nervous and I was just like, this is not gonna look good, this is not gonna blend well. But hey, I'm speechless, clearly. Now don't get me wrong, lace is lace, so it's always gonna show, but depending on the lighting and depending on the way you tilt your head and move your head, you may or may not be able to see the lace. Whenever I do this and I look directly into the mirror, I am seeing very little to no lace. Now of course, whenever I lift my hair up this way, you can see the line of demarcation from the lace to my actual natural hairline. Yeah. You can see the line of demarcation, but I mean, do what I did over here and like try to push it up a little bit into the unit and you'll be fine. Matter of fact, let's see if we can do a side part and see how that looks. Still giving scalp, that's for sure. Would have to comb it, or not comb it, but hot comb it down to get this part of my hair to lay down. But oh, it still looks good. Just this part you'd have to be mindful of, or I would recommend possibly cutting it off just a little bit. I mean, it all depends on your hairline. My next pro and my last pro about this unit is the fact that if you are someone that's concerned about their edges, or you just don't like things on your edges, this might be the unit for you, seeing as how your edges will be completely exposed. Now if you are someone who's not even worried about your edges, or you just really like you a 13x4, they do also offer this unit in 13x4. I mentioned this earlier that this unit is a 10-inch unit, but they also do offer this unit in 12 inches and also 14 inches. The way that they're marketing this unit is pretty spot on in my opinion. You really don't need any type of skill in order to wear this unit, so it makes it very beginner friendly. The unit did come with pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline, but as you saw earlier in the video, I was just being a little bit extra, so I went in and bleached the knots again, and then I also went in and plucked the hairline a little bit more. You don't have to do that. It comes out of the box looking really well, but again, that was just me being a little bit extra. If you are someone who's in the market for a human hair unit that's a little bit under $100, I would recommend this one. I mean, keep in mind the density of her. She is a little bit on the thinner side in my opinion, but nonetheless I would still recommend her. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.